Welcome! We are trying to do the challenge or the giveaway from HVLogic. We have to pick something like an 1100, 5 pins at least, one security pin, and we have to gut it afterwards, and thick gloves. So most people know me, I'm a diver, so I'm using my undergloves and my drysuit gloves. And here is where you would connect it to the suit. So it's very rubbery, very sturdy. Let's try to get this open. HV, mate, congratulations to your 100 subs. Well deserved, I might say. If you don't know HV, go over to his channel. It's linked in the description. Great guy, good picker, great picker actually. He's a black belt. So let's see what we can do here. Nice click on 1. Another click on 3. That was 4 with a nice click. Nice click on 5. It's like a little mini click on. Ah, damn it, I lost it. Sorry, have to reset. Nothing on 2, it's bothering me right now. A couple clicks on 4, so we got a serration there. Sounded like. Shit. It's really annoying on my hands. So let's see if we can do it. Come on. I believe I need to set the first one. Beautiful fold set. If you've seen that, let's find the counter rotating part here. A little deeper for outside, I believe. I just want to throw away my gloves now and just pick this damn knock. There we go. Whew! Like 6 minutes. Well, could have been worse. Now the disaster will start with cutting. I have to set the focus point a little deeper on my camera here. So I have to take off the glove really quick and set the focus point where it belongs. Okay, so let's get into this baby here. This will be annoying. Thank you, Adri. I already hate you for this. Nah, I love you, man. You're great. Why again did I choose this lock? That does not work. Let's use a different one. So what I'm trying to do is to get off this stupid searing here, and I already got it. And I did not lose it. That's important. I believe I have locked it up again. And I have to run really quickly upstairs to get the key. Be right back. So, get a little fast forward here. I hope. Damn, which one was it? No, probably not. Was it you? Could have prepared this part, huh? No, that seems too big. I guess this one might fit. Fucked it up already. Well, screw it. Well, this was a goddamn disaster, I would say. But hey, doesn't matter. As long as everything is here. I believe we got the spool right there. And I believe this was a serrated spool. I can look it up. Maybe it was like this, I don't know. Doesn't really matter. So, we got everything here. So, we basically did what we need to do. Now I have to figure out where I lost my spring. I believe it was the first one. Let's try to reassemble this crap. You don't need to do that for the entry. You need to just to gut it, kinda, like I did. But maybe I get extra credit if I don't, if I get it back together. This sucks. It really, really sucks. Oh, I could have used my extra light, huh? Did not do that. It would be better for the lighting. So the first pin is set. Oh yeah, man, I really could, like... Like, set 2. Let me try to set all pins in. All keys. I'm getting better, I believe. With the handling. So now we have to get the thingy on here. We already got two where they belong. I hope they belong there. That looks great. Shit. I wasn't good. Was not bad. But what I did know, I just loaded up for 6 pins and this is only 5 pins. So we have to redo it. So that was... So I load from the front, so I don't miss. Miss any. Okay. Let's see. It looks pretty good. Did I load this one up correctly? Shit. Probably not. Probably not. Probably not. I have to redo it. Could have bricked this lock. Yeah, see? Chamber 3 is empty. Now I need to get out... I get out everything. I was happy to be almost done, to be honest. But I'm not. One, two, three, four, five. I got every spring I need. So let's get the springs in here. Spring and fuck. Spring and 5. I got spare springs, so doesn't really matter. 4. 3 is loaded. 1 is loaded. Crap. Of course. There it is. It was a nice try. Did not work. Problem with these tweezers, they are a little too big for this kind of springs. And so, yeah, you see what's happening here. I will now turn it and load the last spring. And 2 is loaded. Alright, set pin, threaded pin 3. Spool pin on, not on 4. No, don't go in there. Go on the next one, please. Or go out, that's fine. Alright, got a spool in. And another spool there. So if now is everything correct, we're almost done. And I apologize for 22 minutes of this video. Some may be fast forward. But I don't get, do not reassemble. What I will do now, I will just shim the shit out of this piece of crap. Just put a shim over here. It should work. And now my favorite part. And for the last part, we need some tricks. We are at, I only got like 7 minutes left because I can only record about then I have to cut the video for a second and come back. Because DSLR only takes 30 minutes of video, which is stupid, because yeah, it should be more. Alright, this looks pretty good. Stay everything in here. Everyone where you belong. Pretty much. Shit. I lost the pin. I lost the key pin. Where did it go? Ah, crap. Oh, there you go. There you are. No, 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 no. Oh, shit. Ah. Fuck. Screwed something up in here. Now we have to pin it again. I'm going crazy. Alright, so now I'm kind of going against my clock here because I want to be finished in 1 minute. It doesn't look like it can be. Alright, I missed the 30-minute mark, but we're almost done now. So, I wanted to do the complete video. I kinda did. I did more than I was asked to. Which I enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed it. The video a little. Seeing me fail at so many levels. Never intended to do a video that was like 30 minutes just me losing stuff. We got it. Alright, HV, if you're still here. Thanks for the giveaway. Congratulations to your 100 subs. I know it was a drag, but I picked it, I gutted it and reassembled it. American 1100. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.